Wayfair has become one of the fastest growing home and furniture marketplace in the USA, with millions of active shoppers searching daily. After Amazon and Walmart, Wayfair is quickly becoming the major player in e-commerce. Sellers are making millions, but that's also mean competition here is now huge. And just like with any marketplace, the sellers who dominate search rankings are the ones making the real money. So if you're listing for a sofa, dining table, or home decor item isn't ranking on the first page, you will basically invisible. But don't worry, today I will show you exactly how to master Wayfair SEO so you can rank higher and drive more sales. Alright, so this is the Wayfair marketplace, and if I search for something here, let's say platform bed, now this listing appear on the first page. One thing to remember, very few shoppers go to the next page to see what lies there. Very few. So the real goal is to rank on the first page. But the question is, how can you do this? The very first step is optimize your listing. That means working your title, description, attributes, and images. And the secret sauce here is keyword. And you have got to put the keyword in the right place. You can use tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs for that. These tools help you find the best keywords. Anyway, you can do another thing, which is looking at the search bar. How so? Let me show you this. Search something on here, let's say chair. Now you notice all the suggested keywords. These are the popular search regarding chairs. And if I go very specific like chair for women, here you can see all the popular searched keywords. So you have the ideas of what people are searching. You can take those keywords and use cleverly in the title and the description. Alright, so what we Ecomclips do is, we collect all the keywords from tools and from this search bar, and then we put those on the spreadsheet, like you are seeing this in here. Anyway, once you have your keyword list, place the main keyword in the title and spread secondary keywords across your description and bullet points. Alright, so let's first talk about the title. Let's see this listing. If you see the title, this is descriptive and they did not put the brand name in the title, unlike Amazon. If I go to an Amazon listing, now the title is big and first start with brand name. You can add up to 200 characters here. Now go back to the Wayfair title. This is clean and descriptive for sure. The character limit here is 150 maximum. Anyway, put your main keywords here and try to include size, material, and type. Let's see another listing for that. Yeah, this one. This one added size and materials. That way, your listing not only ranks but also instantly tells that buyer what they are getting. Now, the next step is product descriptions and attributes. Your description should highlight benefit and details. Keep it keyword rich but natural, around 150 to 200 characters. And what I suggest is always try to use bullet points. Well, this listing does not have this. Let me find another one. Yeah. Now see this segment, specification. This is your attributes and these are critical on Wayfair. So you need to fill up all the attributes when you list your product. Okay, if I show you in the back end, yep, this, I'm talking about this, fill up all the data here. Why filling attribute is so important? Because Wayfair has filters for the shoppers. Here you can see all the filters. When a shopper searches something, they can narrow down the search result according to what they need. Like if I need 4-seat, simply click this. Now see, search changes. And those who sells 4-seat sectionals now appear in the search result. So that's why attributes are so important and you should fill out every single attribute. Dimensions, colors, styles, materials. The more complete, the better. That's basically the SEO part. Title, description and attributes, adding keywords. But that's not all. Your main images play a crucial role for the organic ranking because the images are the first thing people notice. And if you stand out, they click. Now, the more they click, the higher you rank. Simple. Let's look at two listings. One has okay photos, just basic, plain pictures. The other one has bright, clear images with the product in a real room, like a cozy living room. That second one gets way more clicks. Why? Because people want to see how the product will look in real life. You don't need white background in your main images like Amazon. Use high quality photos that shoppers can zoom in on. Add lifestyle photos. Show the product in use. Also, put key info like size, color or material on the image itself, so they don't have to guess. And you notice that it also has a video, so you can put videos here. Not only images, your reviews and seller performance also help. Reviews play a huge role in Wayfair SEO. Products with more positive reviews naturally rank higher. So how do you get them? Simple: provide fast shipping, accurate details, and excellent customer service. Happy buyers leave reviews. And remember, don't oversell. Be accurate with your listings so buyers get exactly what they expect. So there you have it, the blueprint for ranking number 1 on Wayfair in 2025. Keywords, optimized title, complete attributes, and strong reviews. And hey, if this feels overwhelming, that's where we at Ecomclips step in. With over 15 years of experience in e-commerce, we know exactly how to optimize, rank, and scale your business perfectly. Reach out to us at info@ecomclips.com and let's take your Wayfair store to the next level. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment. What's your biggest challenge on Wayfair right now? We might just cover it in our next video. Till then, bye bye.